Today I want to share with you this amazing recipe as usual, these biscuits or oversized cookies. I don't know how better to call them, but this is what I used to eat when I was at school, when I was very young. Very easy recipe, and this is they called milk biscuits. First we need milk. To preheat milk with sugar and some vanilla. You don't need to boil your milk, but just make sure that all your sugar is dissolved. Also, you need a butter, soft butter. So start whipping your butter. At the same time, divide your egg in half, and one half of the egg add to the butter and continue whipping. Mix your flour with baking powder. Then take your cold milk with sugar and start adding in turns your milk and your flour until everything is added to your mixture, and then mix it a little bit more, and there you go, you have your dough. Then you will need a plastic wrap. Wrap your dough in a plastic wrap and cool it in a fridge. Better if you cool it longer, you can cool it overnight. You can do it for like 20 minutes, 40 minutes. My dough stayed in a fridge for about an hour and a half. That was good, that was enough. Then when you take your dough out of the fridge, you will need to roll it. I have this rolling pin, very convenient, with different thickness measures. So you will need to roll your dough 1 centimeter thickness. And then take a ring. If you don't have a ring, that's okay. Take a cup, take a glass. Usually these biscuits are not small. They usually like good size, like oversized cookie. Oh yeah, and I made this dough. It's just half of the recipe. That was enough for me. But just letting you know, this is what I'm showing you. This is half of recipe. So I rolled my cookies. I cut the circles. Then I took rest of the dough, rolled it again, cut again, and the rest of the dough that I just tried to fit into the ring, so it came out not as perfect, but that's okay. Then remember we had left other half of the egg, so mix it a little bit. You can add a little bit of water to this part of the egg and brush your cookies, brush your dough with this egg, and then I took a fork, and with this fork I just did this little simple ornament. You don't really have to do it. It just I just felt me doing it like that. And you put your cookies in the preheated oven for about 15 minutes. And they're ready. They're wonderful. They're soft, they're crumbly, they're not very heavy. They're wonderful with the tea, with the milk. I'm sure your kids will like it. I'm sure you will like it. It's something that for me, it's like memories of my years at school that, you know, when we were hungry and we would go to the buffet and buy this kind of treats. So I hope you like this recipe. It's very easy, very simple, and I hope you will make this biscuits. And I'll see you in my next video.